ero kama na inyobuon minyalo medo.
Bende nitie wach mosebedo kwa nyiso sirkal chakre CBC began. Ing'iyo sama nyithindo join junior secondary magi ai grade 6 magi dhi ne challenge nentie ni sirkal was not prepared for the junior secondary. Eyudo ka jopuonj number 1 jopuonj ne onge junior secondary. KICD koka ne struggle mondo oter the required curriculum to the secondary school, junior secondary schools. Jopuonj manondiki ne puonjo different subjects mane ok onego bed ni gipuonjo. Koro there was a lot of confusion a junior secondary school to an extent ma nyithindo koro ne onge need mar the school. Nikech idwa the school to in just playing. There's no learning going on. Jopuonj en mar history CRE to dwa puonjo physics a junior secondary. Gima ne owere gode form 1, form 2. Kata tiegruok malong'o onge. Japuonj dwa puonjo music. Music 844 system, music was like dead. Onge japuonj mano puonjo music. Universities kidhie jopuonj mano tere junior school ne gin graduates mo university. Ne ok opuonj gi music anywhere. Ne ok opuonj gi art and craft anywhere because these are young graduates ma the time magisome oyudo ka subjects go no se we chon malich mokalo. So there was a lot of gap to an extent that school was now just a confusion. And in that confusion, in as much as the government is trying to run away from the responsibility, they created that responsibility themselves. We are hopeful ni giloso chenro sani, of course jopuonj sani temdiki, though with a lot of challenges. The next cohorts waparo ni at least the number will go down. But if things remain the same way they are, then we expect more to come.